Hi guys, happy Wednesday. I hope you all are doing well. Well, today I've got two things for you. We are going to be decorating my bookshelf in the family room for Christmas, and then we're going to be moving into the sunroom where we're going to decorate my focal point wall for Christmas. So stay tuned. Now I will warn you, this is going to be a much shorter video than normal. Reason being, my house is a complete disaster zone. There are bins and Christmas stuff and Christmas needles and glitter everywhere. It's just awful. And this last weekend when we went out of town, it really threw me off kilter. So I am behind in my bathroom cleaning, my laundry, everything is starting to pile. So I wanted just to do a real quick video. I didn't want to leave you guys hanging and not do a video, but anyway, so I threw these together really quickly, and if I know myself, these things I decorated will probably be changed or tweaked in the weeks to come, but you'll get the idea. One more thing before I go. Yesterday I ran over to Home Goods to see if I could find some cute pillows to kind of jazz up the family room for Christmas, because as I've told you guys, I'm going to be doing the MacKenzie-Childs inspired look and feel in here. And I just wanted something that had the red and the buffalo check, or, you know, Harlequin. I couldn't find any Harlequin, but I did find these two really cute pillows. So I found this pillow. It's got little jingle bells on each end, and it's red on the front with the cute little Christmas trees. And then the back is buffalo check. So you could really use it either of which way, but I'm gonna use it this way. It's also a down pillow, which is a plus, and you can karate chop it. Now, I don't know if I'll do that with these, but you know, I just love the down pillow because I love to do the little the hi-ya and the indent in the pillow. Anyway, so two of these cute little Christmas tree pillows here for the family room. And check out this blanket I found for the family room. And oh, it's so soft and cozy. Is that not a great match? Super cute. Now, I don't know if you guys remember, but I typically use tablecloths for my tree skirts because they're much more cost effective. You get a lot of material. You can make it look more poofy than a regular tree skirt. But anyway, I was talking to my husband about that, and he said, you know, you really need some black and white check underneath the tree if you're gonna have it look like MacKenzie-Childs-esque. So guess what he did? He went and ordered these for me. I think these were on Amazon. I'll find out from him, and if he got them from Amazon for sure, I'll link it below. But anyway, I got two cute tree skirts for my 9-foot Christmas trees here in the family room. So I think this is all gonna look really cute once I get this all thrown together. It's just gonna take me a little time. We put up our two trees this morning. One tree, all the lights are working. The other tree, not one light is working. Isn't that ridiculous? I was like, what the heck? It was working last year, so now we've got to string lights through that whole tree. So, right? Okay, we're gonna get into the video now, but I just want to remind you guys that Friday at 12 noon Eastern time, I will be doing my collab with Jody at Southern Seasons. We're gonna be decorating our mantles, 2 different styles. So I hope you guys will join me. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Mine is gonna be MacKenzie-Childs-esque. Yep, I haven't even started it. So I will be doing that tomorrow and editing tomorrow night and posting it for you guys Friday. So stay tuned for that. Hi guys, all right, let's get started. This is my bookshelf here in the family room, and what you see on it is a garland that I picked up from Walmart a few weeks ago. It has pine cones and it's very easy to work with. And to this, I'm gonna be adding some packages. Some are lit up and some are not. Reason being, I just wanted to add a splash of color up there on the bookshelves to draw your eyes up. So the packages on the end are not lit up, the ones in the middle are. And here we go at a closer look of the shelves empty before we get started decorating. And guys, we're gonna keep this very simple because I'm gonna have a lot going on in this family room. So what I did was I added this basket just to add texture, and to this I'm going to add a wreath. I love this wreath. I picked it up at Home Goods, and if you look up close, it's sparkly and shimmery, and I love the pops of red berries. Very festive for the season. Okay, now we're gonna add this Merry Christmas sign. I believe I picked this up at Walmart, and it's gonna sit center stage. And to this, we're gonna add 2 gift like topiaries, one on either side to add splashes of red and green. They're on the bookshelf. Now I believe I picked those gift topiaries up at Home Goods, and I love the polka dots and the stripes. I just think it's fun and it's whimsical for the season. I know they're not topiaries, but that's what I'm calling them. Gift box topiaries. All right, now we're gonna add a hurricane vase, and to this we're gonna add festive red and green M&Ms. And to that, we're gonna add one of my flickering LED flameless candles that I have purchased from Amazon. I'll link those in the description box below. And the candy is just to add a very vibrant pop of color. Next up, I'm gonna add 2 red canisters that I picked up from Ross. You see them there. And they're perfect for Christmas. Just love them. Okay, now I'm gonna add a big red ornament that I picked up from Kirkland's with our initial for our last name. Again, I'm keeping this very simple and fun, and now I'm adding a lantern with an LED flameless flickering candle inside. To the lantern, I'm adding some simple ivy, just a simple greenery pick from Hobby Lobby. And now I'm going to add some presents. And I got those from Home Goods. So all the colors tie in. It's not overly done, but it's more on the simplistic side for me. I know you guys are probably laughing, like, yeah, right, Liz. But this is simple for Liz. It truly is. All right, one last look before we get into the next portion of the video. But I'm sure this will all change within the next week or so. I'll probably be shuffling things around. Okay, moving to the sunroom. This is a focal point wall that I love to decorate throughout the seasons. It's got a floating shelf, an old rustic window, 2 metal wall embellishments, and a curtain rod. And the curtain rod, I love to swag garlands over throughout the seasons. Here you can see I've swagged a Christmas garland, and to that I've added some soft white twinkle lights. And the garland has pine cones and ornaments and gold leaves and red ribbons. Down below, I took the same garland and put it in my little planter box. I was going to leave lights out of it and keep it simple, but ultimately I decided I wanted the twinkle to continue down below. So you can see here, I'm just stringing them through, and this is what it looks like. I've added red, green, and gold huge ornaments that I picked up from Walmart, and I simply just sat them in there for a pop of color. And that will finish off this look here in the sunroom. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Come back and see me Friday. We'll be doing the mantle for Christmas. It's gonna be a blast. Stay tuned. I'm so nervous because I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I just don't even know. I've got to think about that tonight and get the ball rolling. But anyway, I love you guys, and I thank you for stopping by. Thank you for all of your comments. And guys, I haven't responded to anyone. I am so sorry. It just eats me up when I don't have the time to do it. But with me trying to get this house ready and then film, edit, post, I'm just falling behind in my housework. It's just terrible. It's terrible. Just know that I love you and I appreciate every comment, every single one. So that'll do it, guys. That'll wrap up this video. Come see me Friday. It'll be fun. Bye, guys.